Hello everybody, today I'm going to be quickly showing you how to get a nice photo background, like the one that you can see on the bottom of the screen. So first up, what you want to do is just edit your photo as you normally would, and then you want to click Edit in Photoshop. Alright, and then when you're in Photoshop, first things first, come over here and right click to duplicate the layer. Once you've done that, go down to the little circle down the bottom, choose solid color, choose white, and now drag the background copy up above and hit Control T. And now just resize it, something like that, and add some text. Alright, something like that. And then just put it wherever you want. Go File, then hit Save, and that will say saving, and down the bottom as well. Alright, and now once it's fully saved, click the X, and that will take you back into Lightroom. Alrighty, and finally that should have had a little import from Photoshop up here, and then once it's fully imported, you'll have a nice border and your text down here, making it look very professional.